24/7 in public space by a videographer. There is a lot of things that he's scared of. Asa bollo, if I say this is one thing that is that we did in a major way, in the sense Nakabandi, check post, everywhere we would have a thing. So the moment is that one area which we have found is whatever little muscle is left is because of lack of, at least in the rural areas, lack of proper preventive action. Now, all large-scale cash withdrawals. Now, somebody from the income tax said that money obviously flows much before, but this can be just all cash withdrawals or all cash withdrawals beyond 50,000 or a lakh of rupees. One input has to go from the bank to the EC that such and such person has. So at least he has to divide that man. Then the outsider entry to the area of elections. So this is especially true when we are having standalone elections, even standalone state elections also. So I've seen very closely, people get outsiders from other states. So UP, Bihar, lot of their relatives will come for the time being. Their voter ID card will be ready, and they'll vote and they go. So some kind of thing where
not rare at all that voter turnout will be in excess of 70%, 80%, in some cases even greater than 90%. So the voter turnout percentage falls somewhere at the state level, and at the national level it turns out to be the lowest. The first is that how do we at the national level change the emotional content of our voters and direct them instead towards developmental issues. That is one of the major challenges.
Baseline observations that immediately came out when this topic was broached. The first part, which is very interesting, is that we all have discussed this today, that the 73rd and the 74th Amendment actually made reservations for 33% women seats. However, in Maharashtra, we've got 50% reservation for women. Now, when you look at the election data, and I didn't have the data immediately with me, but I could recall from the analysis we have done, especially on municipal corporations, that if you take a look at the winners, you have exactly 50% women. Now, what that really tells me is, so we are returning women wherever there is a reservation for women, and if there is no other seat or very few seats which are returning women there, what it really means is that women are contesting largely only on the seats reserved.
Philosophy that election is just means of just conducting the run through this democracy. The first is the democracy. So the broader issue is, or broader point is with the democracy. Just one that with the governing body, that is the SSC commissioner will be chairing that body, and then the few government officials will be there, then academicians, and then the few members of the civil society. And probably the location will be some place like Pune, like a Yashoda, or any other university. And in this institute, that the faculty members will be a government official on a deputation, then civil society people, academician, then media, legal expert, and the IT people. And the major discussion of our group that we had was the funding one. That how to fund this institute, because when you want to run an institute, that the fund is a very much important.
Bring more transparency, preventive steps, awareness campaign, create fear factor by exemplary cases, effective enforcement of existing laws, use of technology, new laws and regulation, and other. So these were the 9 broad categories. We'll see one by one what are the points raised. Regulate political financing. So Das sir has said that filing of account of party and candidates must be made compulsory. This was the suggestion by Das sir. Sealing on money receipts so as to encourage only small donations. So these receipts, we have suggested that up to 5,000 should be the ceiling. The second head is transparency. So disclose the political financing in the public domain. So it should reach to every voter. Every voter should be accessible easily to the voters.
Mr. Sharia Shah, that you come. I asked him, are you sure? I have left election commission 3 years back. He said, doesn't matter, you have to come. And I said, sir, I am not there for maybe 1 month, I am going out. No, you come back after that, you will have. So that encouraged me, and in fact from that time, I refreshed my memory of the exercise that we are doing in Election Commission and how to really do something better in this area. In fact, I find that some of the measures that he has been taking are more progressive than the Election Commission. I have no hesitation in admitting this, particularly in disqualifying the winning candidates. He has already disqualified many candidates, whereas the Election Commission has so far only disqualified.
Really of importance to us, the democracy fortnight, which we conduct every year, from 26th of January to 10th of February. There we can use this concept of Ram Gita. Proper work study, which Raghunandan sir has said, proper work study of the electoral roll, which is not within the purview of State Election Commission. So it is definitely of importance regarding the number of employees to be employed for this purpose. Elections in village, Jilla Parishad, Panchayat Samiti elections may not be in the municipal corporations or municipal council, but in rural areas it is definitely useful. Withdrawal of cash, title withdrawal of cash by Shri Naval Bajaj, the IG, is definitely, we are following that because banks are giving us the reports, but they are not regular. It's not a regular feature, which is our endeavor, which is always our desire to excel in the conduct of elections. So, lastly, I will thank all the participants particularly who have come out of Maharashtra and all our officers, state government officers of the Maharashtra who have participated in the long day, and they have prepared for us. They have presented for us, and they have taken a lot of efforts. They have been helping us. I hope they will continue to help us.
I just want to, it's fitting that the last speech was by Mr. B.K. Dash, who came specially for us, and very valuable. I just want to recall, it's almost more than 8 hours and the room is almost full. So that's testimony to the very interesting and sort of idea-packed session we have had. I want to recall what Mr. Raghunandan said in the beginning about those 5 core values of Indian Constitution. You said it's Satya, Ahimsa, Swaraj, Antyodaya and Sarvodaya. So Satya is truth, so we talked a lot about fake news. Ahimsa is muscle power. We talked about controlling muscle power. Swaraj is of course as we always have said, in India we say that the highest office is the office of being a citizen. So Swaraj is all about that. In fact, educating the citizen about citizenship. Antyodaya is about the least well-off person in society. That's about inclusiveness. We had a session on inclusiveness. And Sarvodaya, of course, is welfare of all. So actually, these 5 words that you began with in the beginning set the theme.
Raghunandan and Mr. Dash has gone, Mr. Vijayanand and Rashmi, in our act, which we are drafting. Now you have the experience, how can we make the draft act, which is in tune with the present times, present environment. And I think everybody, and not just few of you, everybody can contribute to that, which should be constitutionally valid, legally correct, and we'll get it examined. And then we'll leave it to the government to their wisdom. That is one thing. Second thing, in the meantime, the vacuous areas, if you think there are, which I think there are, can we plug them in? So I'll suggest that if you can, all the participants, especially those who have great knowledge and finally, the democracy index I'm very keen to develop. I think the Gokhale Institute and I think everybody else, if they can contribute, that will be great. With these words, I would like to thank each one of you. Those that from outside Maharashtra, those that come from within Maharashtra, those that come from Bombay, my own office, my own colleagues from income tax, from police, my own SEC staff, our secretary, and all our, we have done one more unique thing, which I must mention because I think both of you are halting tonight. No, by 9 o'clock. The Election Commission has taken ADR, Bombay chapter, RSCD, Mr. Bhim Raskar, Gokhale Institute, Mumbai University, CLGF as a resource person for the State Election Commission. Well, I have no domain knowledge. So I have taken these 5-6 people as the resource person for myself. So I'll be happy if people like you can also join us as a resource person. Well, until unless we share the knowledge, what somebody was mentioning, create knowledge, we cannot move forward. And I would like to thank each one of you for this wonderful conference. Thank you.